see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. So right now we're coronafied in quarantine, low-key. They haven't officially said it, but shit is getting kind of tactical out here. Let me know how y'all doing throughout this whole bullshit that's going on. But today we are going to be bringing you guys some content to hopefully steer you away from all the bullshit news you're seeing on Instagram. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it. Subscribe if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into this week's drop list. Honestly, we don't have too many items that are going to be coming out for this week as of yet. I don't have the full drop list and I don't want to record this video too late, so I decided to go ahead and just get into it right now. If there are any extra pieces added, I will possibly add pictures, probably even right here, but I just don't have time to wait to record this later. So we're going to start all the way at the bottom of the list with these Rimmel Zee Sweatpants. It doesn't make sense why these are all the way at the bottom. Low-key, these are more fire than the sweater to me. I just feel like you could pull off some loud-ass pants before you could pull off a loud-ass sweater, much like this, with hella different colors. I do like the pants though, honestly. I feel like you could freak these with a black hoodie or with something a little bit more subtle, and you could probably pull it off better than with the sweatshirt. But these pants are fire, bro. The one thing that is throwing me off with these is the fact that the branding is literally on the ass cheek. There's no other branding on this. Like, I don't know what's going on. They definitely could have did better on the branding side of things, but as far as the piece in itself, the design in itself definitely does look pretty clean, if I'm gonna say so myself. I don't know what's going on as far as like the design though, because it looks like it wants to be an art, like it wants to be a picture, but it just never made it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, to be honest. It looks like there's something there. If you guys know what he's trying to draw, let me know. Or is this just like abstract art? Who knows? This piece is fire though. I feel like this would be the last shit to go. Next up, we do have the De Martini messenger bag. This shit is kind of hard, bro. Low-key, I would go for the black one because it's just some shit you could put your laptop in, call it a day. I just don't know the price that this is gonna be at. Normally when Supreme does these type of collabs, shit be steep, so I don't even know. And low-key, that TNF from last week is hurting me right now. Hey, hold up. If y'all want any of these items, make sure you check out Astro Bodega. I'm running hella raffles right now, so check out this shirt, this bag. All this stuff is being raffled off on Astro Bodega, and they are some extra items on there. But back to our scheduled program. So yeah, this bag right here, I don't know how good it's gonna do resell. I don't even know if it's gonna sell out, to be honest, but it is gonna be releasing. And the Rammellzee colorway, like the galaxy, I think I figured it out because I kind of see a planet on the bag, so it might be like a galaxy print. I don't know. It looks kind of clean though. Next up, we got the dookiest piece releasing this week. Is this puffy jacket right here. I don't know what's going on with the jacket, but this first color, like that metallic gold color, that shit could take a seat, bro. Like, this shit is so beyond cheeks that I don't even want to cover the rest of the jacket. I'm gonna just talk about the gold one just because, yo, this shit is ass. It kind of reminds me of that metallic TNF that came out like 2 years ago at this point. That shit was ass. That's tough. And this shit is ass too. Like, so basically on the back of this jacket, you have like the whole world, like all the flags from the whole world, kinda, not all of them, but it pretty much shows you like where the coronavirus is hitting the most, which is America right here. You got China, you got a couple different places where the shit is just taking us out. Shit is ass. Let's go ahead and skip this jacket right here. Next up, we got the studded long sleeve top. If I'm not mistaken, bro, they are hitting us with all the studs, like all the studs that they have in the factory, they're trying to get rid of, because they throwing hella studs on everything, bro. Like, there was a studded sweatshirt that came out last week and the week before. Like, they're bugging. This shit is ass though. I'm not a fan of studs when they do it like this. I'm more of a fan of like rhinestones when they spell out like a word, kind of like this Worldwide Youth hoodie right here, which they did send me another package that's on the way. This piece right here is kind of ass. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. It's definitely not my cup of tea. If you enjoy rhinestones or whatever's going on right here with these studs, this is for you. But for me, this shit is definitely a pass, an easy pass at that. that. Next up, we got the Rammellzee hooded sweatshirt. Hey, I'm a fan of the Rammellzee design. I don't know what it is about it, but it just caused my attention. I feel like it's a loud hoodie, but you can pull it off. Definitely the same with the sweatpants too. It's loud, but it's the type of loud that if you wear something simple on the opposite side, like if you got the hoodie, you wear some black jeans and some simple sneakers, you could pull it off. And low-key, I feel like this is one of the sets that you can pull off as a set too. You're just gonna be out here looking like a traffic cone, but it's not bad though. Like, it's cool. Hey, my pockets are not set up for this week. Like, I'm not trying to do it, bro. It got spent on toilet paper. Nah, I'm just playing. I'm not out here hoarding toilet paper. I left that up to my family, but I'm good on the Rammellzee hooded sweatshirt. Definitely a fire piece. Don't get it twisted. This week, bro, I'm trying to relax. Like, I might buy a tee and call it a day. Next up, we got the catcher's chest protector. Like I told y'all when I saw this before, if you're not catching balls on the field, you don't need this shit. Like, this is not a piece that has multi-use, because this just doesn't look like a vest to me. It looks like you about to go play ball or play with balls. Whatever you're trying to do, this is not for me. Like, I'm good on this one. It's probably gonna be like $200 at that. And to be honest, bro, it's not set up like that right now, so this is definitely a pass. I feel like if you got the money, if you're trying to store this somewhere, it's cool, but it's just not like, oh shit, I gotta have that. I just really hope they drop more accessories. That would be what draws me to buy or spend more money this week. But next up, we got my favorite piece from this whole collaboration. It definitely has to be this tag tee. If you know me, you know that I love Supreme graffiti. Like, it just is fire to me. I love the way that graffiti looks, period. Ever since I was a kid, I was a huge fan of graffiti. So this right here is right down my alley. It says Supreme in tag font, which is so cool to me. Then on the back, I don't know what's going on, but I'm cool with that. Like, I'm cool with that. And low-key, I was thinking about it, bro. I do not have a blue Supreme tee that's like a royal blue. I have a whole bunch of different blues, but not this blue right here. Low-key, I feel like I'm gonna go for that blue, the pink, or the black. Those are the ones that I'm trying to attack when it comes to this tee right here. I feel like the retail is gonna be around $48. It is a collab, so that's definitely the price range for this one. And resale might not be all the way there. I don't know how it's gonna work, honestly, because I feel like people aren't trying to spend money on tees or clothing right now. They're trying to be more cautious with it, but you know me, I gotta make it do what it do. So I'm probably gonna try to buy this piece right here. Definitely fire to me. I don't know about you. But next up, we got the mesh hooded baseball jersey. This one's gonna be coming out in 3 different colorways, and I don't understand how this piece is higher than the Rammellzee hoodie or the sweats. It just doesn't add up to me. I know that a lot of people are fans of jerseys though. I just feel like if this was a regular hoodie or like regular materials, it would have done better by me, but it's all good. This is not for me. Like, not everything is for you. I do like the colorways though. That Chicago Bulls colorway is pretty cool, and I also do like the fact that they use like a baseball inspired font on this, but definitely cool. I also do like the fact that the Supreme is embroidered on there, which is always a plus. Now when it comes to resale, I feel like that's not gonna happen. Like, certain Supreme pieces just don't resell, and I feel like this is gonna be one of those. It might sell out, but resale's not gonna be over $30-40. I can guarantee you that. Hey, I might be wrong, but that's just my opinion. Last up, we do have the Rimmel Zee Supreme Tee. This is kind of like a photo tee, I would say, but I don't know what's going on with Dude Mans. He looks like the Predator. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It does seem cool that he has the Supreme box logo on, but it just doesn't look like an official photo tee. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, if I do have the time after I get my tag tee, which I doubt, I would go for this, but it's just not anything over the top in my opinion, bro. Like, it's nothing that I would die for or need to go get. Like, it's not that special to me, so I might end up passing and go for the tag logo tee. But I do have a feeling that this piece right here might hit $80, $90, maybe $100 in the black colorway, simply because it has that Supreme box logo on it. You know, people are crazy about that shit, so I do feel like it has the potential to do good, but it just depends on what the kids want to do with StockX on this week. When it comes to this piece, I would definitely say go for that black or the pink colorway. You will not go wrong if you buy those, and this will definitely not be a brick, but it's not certain that it'll have a high resale, if that makes sense. But that does it for all the items that we have for the drop list so far. If there are any new items added, I will put them right around my face right now so you guys can see it. One more thing that I do want to talk about is the fact that since the coronavirus is going on, the release will only be online. There won't be no in-store releases. I actually passed the Supreme store yesterday and shit is dead, bro. New York City is dead. Like, there's nobody outside, to be honest, and it's kind of creepy. It's kind of like a zombie apocalypse out here, so protect yourself, protect your face. Don't touch people, bro. Like, dap people up like this. Hey, what's good? None of that other close shit. Like, don't get close to nobody, bro. I'm already antisocial for the most part, so we good. But the drop is gonna be online only. Stores are closed. The only store that is open, if I'm not mistaken, is the Japan store, which makes no sense. But we're gonna talk about a couple more pieces, or not pieces, some things that are going on in the streetwear culture right now, like the Stussy Nike collaboration, which should be coming out soon. And typically I wouldn't go for a pair of sneakers like this, but they're kind of fire, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, these kind of do look cool to me. I am a fan of like the black metallic and white colorway. I just feel like it looks clean and it looks different. This would be the sneaker that gets me into like that dad running monarch trend, but it is fire. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. We do have a clothing collection that's gonna be coming along with the sneakers as well. I low-key would probably go for the clothing before I go for the sneakers, but I just wanted to touch on that real quick. We do have these off-white Jordan 5s in 2 different colorways. We got the grape version, which is insane to me. I would definitely go for these. The grape Jordan 5s, I had them shits in high school, bro. I love the grapes. I'm not gonna lie, one of my favorite Jordan 5s. Them shits were so fire. I actually camped out for those when I was in high school, but the quality on them shits was ass. I still wore them all the time, don't get it twisted, but these shits are so fire in my opinion. We also do have like this creamish with red color right here. I don't know what this resembles, but I do know that the shit is fire, and they are saying that this is a female only release, which is kind of ass, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but I just wanted to cover those 2 off-white Jordan 5s that were recently spotted. The last bit of news that I'm gonna talk about today is the fact that certain Jordan releases are being delayed. If you guys do want me to make a full dedicated video to talking about what sneaker releases are delayed because of coronavirus, which ones are staying the same, which ones are being pushed out quicker, I would go ahead and make a video about that. If you guys do want it, just let me know in the comments. But the sneaker that's gonna be postponed is the Dior Jordan 1. That one was supposed to come out in April, if I'm not mistaken, and there's no telling when it's gonna come out. They just said that it's gonna be postponed because of this whole shit that's going on. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap that like button. Let me know if you would like more videos like this. Let me know what was your favorite piece from the Supreme drop. Let me know if you enjoyed the Stussy collaboration, the fact that the Dior Jordan 1s are being held back. Just let me know what you think about this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And today's post notification shout out goes out to Ray Bryant Jr. Shout out to you, homie, for always showing love to the videos. Definitely does mean a lot. If you guys are trying to enter in some of them raffles that I showed you earlier, make sure you go ahead and check out Astro Bodega. Once those are filled up, we will go ahead and run it, but I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.